Hi everyone, so it is Friday the 23rd of August and the markets haven't closed yet, and of course the candles can often change shape in the last few hours, but let's talk about the global indices. So I'm starting off here with Wall Street and just having a look at it. I think the one thing that really needs to be highlighted here is that we've failed to break through these key resistance levels multiple times here, and if we actually go and bring in the divergence indicators, so if I bring in the MACD and RSI, what's really we need to be paying attention to is that the momentum indicators are showing a lack of momentum. So in other words, basically the markets are exhausted, and that's on a monthly time frame. And the implication here being one of two things is going to happen. The market is ultimately, at least over the next 18 months or next 18 candles, give or take, this kind of range of candles, this amount, market is either going to bob between the lows of 2018 and the highs here, or potentially break and head lower down towards these previous lows. Now, it's worthwhile noting this candle here was when Trump was inaugurated as president, so this was the election period, that uncertainty, and of course all this beautiful growth here is thanks to Obama. This is really what we've had since Trump's been in, but just highlighting the time difference. So if we did break through and head down to those low levels, we'd really just be giving back 2 or 3 years. Okay, if we compare this to the S&P 500, we've got a similar thing. We've got fresh highs on price and we've got lower highs on the indicators, just implying exhaustion. Same thing on the NASDAQ. Worth noting, it's still struggling to get through on these fresh highs, lower, sort of heading lower. NASDAQ is the most bullish of the bunch. If anything is going to survive, it's probably going to be that one. The Russell 2000 also obviously starting to head low. If we look at, say, the DAX, certainly looking weaker, just not able to maintain its highs off these key levels. FTSE as well, also now looking as though that's going to break and head a little bit lower. So there's still a lot of buy orders on these lower levels. There's always buy orders, so I'm always very cautious when price taps those, because we'll get buy orders, we'll get strong bounces. But the market's not looking as bullish, and it is definitely exhausted on the US ones, which just implies a consolidation or a break lower. So I'm just going to be trading with a lot more caution and be more selective, or not participating at all.